Yo. This fucking price action sucks. No pivot point in sight. I mean, there's one right here. Are we going all the way up to the pivot point? This is exciting if you are, if you own NASDAQ or anything that's in the NASDAQ. But man, if you're trying to trade this shit as a fucking prop firm degenerate, prop firm day trader, such as myself, it's tough. I mean, I missed this. I missed this opportunity. I had a business call. I was on a call today from 10 to 11. And that's exactly when this VWAP bounce happened. We dropped down to the VWAP and bounced. Look, we're up almost 100 points from there. That was like the only chance someone like me would have had to fucking, take advantage of this type of environment. Because all we keep doing is making new all-time highs. Look at the chart. Let's go look at the fucking 4-hour chart. There's nothing to the left. We are 280 points above the previous all-time high from like a month ago. It's fucking brutal. So for my trading style, I can't get in long here. I don't know. I just can't. Although the trend is your friend, right? The trend is supposedly all of our friends. I can't get in long in this shit, bro. And ladies, bros and ladies, I can't get in long. I just can't. I don't know, because I just feel like as soon as I get in long, it's going to fucking dump on me because we're so fucking stretched to the upside. It's fucking hard. Just trading, that is. Trading's hard. I don't know about anybody else. Some people just went in long and just held that shit all day, right? Just ain't right. What's good? Renier, what up? AS. Mr. Varmer, Subi Guy, what's good? Marco, Random Vids, Daniel Mid, Bob Means, Roro, Arion. Clean my lens of the camera. I think it's the lighting in here. I'm in my overnight room. I need to stop using Restream. That's the fucking problem. I need to stop using Restream. Is that better? Oh, maybe a little bit better. I need to get on either Streamlabs or OBS. I keep wanting to do it, but like my days literally fucking slip away from me every fucking day, it seems lately. Marco, Daniel Mid, Bob Means, Roro, Arion, Eric J, JW, Charlie. Yo, Charlie, bro, I'm sorry, man. I'm going to send that PayPal money to you today. I promise. My fucking bad. Yeah, I was like literally gone all day yesterday after I got off the stream. Pretty much the rest of the day. Relic Ronin, TD Trades, Kimura, J Stores, Andy, Isle Boy. He's an Isle Boy, man. Did you see the Isle Boys Bitcoin song that they made? Oh man, so good. I play it. That's what I listen to when I fucking work out. Franny, Coach Franny's here. Mr. Oblivion, what up? Big Dave, Jesse Cruz, Thomas Westman. Oh, no doubt, Jesse Cruz. All good, man. Good to see you on here, though, bro. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. YouTube, I don't know. I said too much during my early morning overnight stream yesterday. We were talking about why I moved out of New York. And I tried to talk in code. I think I did a good job talking in code, but they know. Adrian, what up? Promote my course. Call now. Big Dave. Who am I missing? Willie Trades Futures, what up? Yeah, bro. I saw that, Willie Trades. Just a misunderstanding. Guy literally pulled the fucking gun with a silencer with a muzzle out of his bag and just started shooting him as he walked past him. Fucking crazy. He must have known too much. He was going to squeal about the Epstein list. He probably knew about a certain medical fucking, probably he has all the data on the lethal injection. Fucking crazy. P. Shenanigan, Black Beauty Machine. You see me without facial hair. I mean, normally if this is my playoff baseball beard. Once the season's over, I'll shave it off. But like, I never go all the way down. I use a buzzer and I get to the point of stubble. That's about as short as I go now. Peter Schaap, Net Baba Toxic Sage, Carlos Roa, Use, Neil ESP, what up? Brandon, what up? Let's go, Brandon. Yolanda. Yeah, we all need this shit to go back down. We need some point of reference. We have no point of reference now. All we have is just like a little bit of here. Like, this is support now. Like, here's some support. But like, anytime it tries to get down, look at this. It's like it tried. It tried so many times to get down. It just wouldn't. And that's how I got fucked out of it. I was down like 500. I was actually up in my first trade in these 3 accounts. I was up like $200, didn't take it. Then I got stopped out for minus 496. Then I was up again, and I wasn't making the mistake again. I was like, fuck it. And I took 100. I could have taken a little more. It just wouldn't hit the first one didn't hit my take profit by like a point. And it was like to keep me out of half. I would like, could I have at least gotten taken out of fucking half? So frustrating. Alfred, what up? Yeah, I'm talking about the Island Boys. The Epstein Island Boys. Vince, yeah, sucky, Vince. Really bad. And not the me love you long time kind of sucky. Just all-time high trading is awful. K. Suleiman, what up? Alfred's here. Coach Singh. Yeah, today is that type of day, man. This is all I traded. I haven't even touched. Did I log it? Am I even showing my screen yet? Fuck, I didn't even show my screen yet. My bad, guys. Oh, yeah, hold on. Let me finish logging into my other accounts that I have not traded. I haven't traded any of my fucking accounts. None. Except for what you see on that. Well, what you didn't see. I'm sorry, guys. I'll show you in a second. I didn't even realize my fucking screen wasn't being shared. All right. So let me get my screen going. Sorry, guys. Not that it matters because there's nothing for me to fucking trade. All right. Okay. So you see this right here? I went in short here. I went in short right here, and then right here it dropped because I was like, shit, it's going to come back and maybe go. And it literally came it went right to this wick, and I had my first take profit like right here at the top of this candle. And then I had my next take profit a little bit lower. It literally came right there, and then I ended up getting stopped out for minus 490. It was like 496 after fees and shit. And it was 3 accounts. And then this one, I went short again because I just can't fucking, I don't know. I'm allergic to going long when we're this far up. Although I might now. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck to do. I might not do anything. But we're all going to hang out, right? Why is it in most? That's all right. Keep saying my name. Keep saying my name everywhere. Why is it in most, right? Bob Means. Nothing's going on. He couldn't take a fucking joke. He couldn't handle being fucked around with a little bit. That's all. He took it way too fucking personal. And he's still talking about it fucking 4 days later. It was an innocent little fucking joke. He shouldn't have had his fucking name. He should have blurred his name out of the fucking, of the You Profit rug pull email he got. And someone said someone compared it to Apex, but he always defends Apex. And he said they have low IQ. And then the other shit happened. He said somebody in my Discord has low IQ. And then, so he's allowed to fucking say shit to other people, be insulting in my fucking Discord. But I couldn't even joke around with him a little bit. But what happens is when you show weakness and you show sensitivity like that, when people are just fucking around, you just attract more of the fucking around with. You're just going to get fucked with more. That's just how it works. And that's kind of what happened. And I didn't want that to happen because I like Nutty. But then, it was going on my stream the other day, and he said my channel's a joke. So, he kind of, I'm part of the problem, but he kind of just bringing it on himself. But I'm over it. I don't even care. Like, we all fuck around with each other, especially in my Discord. We're all homies. We're all homies. He couldn't take a joke. That's the bottom line. Nothing's going on. As far as I'm concerned, nothing's going on. Sharks smell blood, Neil. Exactly. Clover Trades, what's good? Martin, what up? Yeah, see? Exactly. See, now it's funny. Like, it's not even that big of a deal. I don't know. I don't see it as a big deal. Why so serious? Life's too short. Exactly. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, exactly. But like, that's the problem with these shorts. Like, you think you're gonna pull back, but it doesn't really pull back at all. It pulls back to like this. It pulled back to the top of this fucking chop zone, to the top of this support zone, to the very top of it. Yeah, if those of you in the Discord saw how that whole thing fucking played out. That's all. Anna, what up? Julio, Trade Evade's having issues everywhere. Hotshot, what up? I'd blame his parents. Ali Pan, what up? Vince, I don't know. Non-farm pay. Was that today? Well, Friday's the official one, right? It's not taking you out of your position when you click exit? No fucking way. Is that happening? Is that happening to anyone else? Julio, what prop firm? Powerful Play Zone, what up? Less than 1 minute, you should be okay. Yeah, Mikey, the Apex sale is done. They actually ended that. We all know Apex to be habitual sale extenders, which is cool for us. Oh fuck, I'm in Apex Trade Evade right now, Julio. Powell Powell. Fucking, he was talking about, this one day at Bandcamp, I heard. Yeah. Sup? Oh, man. Crank. Yeah, same shit. Yeah, you should be all right, though, Powerful Play Zone. Just don't make all of your trades like that. It's 15 seconds. If you're in and out in 15 seconds, which is never a good thing, right? That's never a good thing. Hotshot, what up? Yeah, ADP, yeah. Yeah, ADP isn't really that. It was a red folder event, though, AS, which is great, which is, interesting. Did anything happen for crude oil during crude oil inventories? There was crude oil inventories before. Rich Walla, my day has been uneventful, and I was on a call for like an hour, so I had no time. I literally, my son had a soccer game at 6 o'clock on the other side of town, so we had to drive through fucking traffic to get there. Normally, what is a 25 minute ride? Took like 25, 30 minutes tops, took fucking 55 minutes, 50 minutes. So I only had a little bit of time, and I didn't like what the market was doing when it reopened. I had to upload a video. I didn't even have time to do that. I brought my laptop with me to upload the video in the parking lot while he was getting warmed up with his team. We didn't get out of there until like 5 or 10 to 8. And then I had to go. Well, I didn't have to go, but I go hitting with my team. A couple of the guys that I play with, we hit every Tuesday and Friday at the cages. So we went straight to the cages, got out of there a little bit before 9. My other son had to be picked up at drums at 9. And then my son Jay, who had the soccer game, he met this girl, and he that he works with, and they were like on like a workout date at the gym. They work out at the same gym. The problem is he's my VIP guest, so he can't just go by himself. I have to be there too. So I had to go to the fucking gym and work. I worked out twice yesterday because of this. So like I didn't get home until 10:30, 11, and I was fucking exhausted. So I barely traded. I traded this account. I was in a trade with 115. I was in a trade during the overnight early morning stream with 115 for like over an hour. And that's it, because this is what we've been doing. We just keep going up. And then I took this trade. That's all I did. I didn't trade my TakeProfitTrader funded account yet. And I probably won't. I didn't trade my myfundedfutures accounts. I have a funded myfundedfutures account. I have 2 days of $100 or more in. Here it is right here, up $645. I need 3 more days of $100 or more, and I can request. I got this eval. So like today is just like a fucking nothing burger. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, and I had to make it like, you know, I stayed far away from the whole thing. I didn't stay the whole time, but I had to walk in with him, you know. So I did some legs, some mobility shit. Yeah, like this, like, is it gonna drop? Is this gonna drop? I don't fucking know. And then I went in the sauna and I left him there. But I couldn't like walk out as soon as I walked in, you know? What would you do? I mean, I would reach out to them. I don't know. They're going to be reaching out to you saying, hey, we paid you by mistake. Can you send it back, please? Yeah, Martin Suarez. Yeah, it was cool. I'm happy. You know, I'm proud of him, obviously. And he scored the fucking sickest goal in the game. His team was down 1-0, and he was playing right wing, and he scored this goal like on a hard angle. He kicked like this fucking banger shot. It hit the top. It hit the bottom of the crossbar and bounced. You know how you ever see those type of shots where it hits the bottom of the crossbar and bounces straight down over the line? He fucking smoked it. And that's he tied the game for the team. And that's how the game, you know, that's how the game finished. He tied the game up. The game ended in a tie. He actually set up a couple of potential goals also with passes. So we had a fucking great game. I guess you could say he was the man of the match. So he fucking, not only that, and then he hung out with some chick. Good for him, man. He had a great day. You know? Tim Morgan, what's good? Mark, 4-hour RSI at 86. Yeah. Yeah. What type of workout? They were at the gym. I mean, I don't know. He hasn't, you know, he's still he's never even had a girlfriend. So I kind of slowed down that whole progress, me and my wife, by homeschooling the kids since the school year started in 2019. Kind of slowed that whole process down, which is fine with me. But Kellyanne's in the building. What's up, Kellyanne? Angel, what's good? Pray for your 20K with Apex? Good luck, man. Just know that if you get denied, you could keep trading the account and you could work it to another request. It won't be the end of the world. I just got paid, actually. I just got paid. Money hit the bank. Money hit the bank in I got approved yesterday for 2 more payouts with Apex that people said I would never get. They said I would never get paid again. They laughed when I said I would get paid again by Apex. But then I logged into my account and showed all my approvals. Oh, yeah. Here it is. Money hit the bank. I had to blur out all my OnlyFans subscriptions, guys. Sorry about that. Money hit the bank next morning. But Apex doesn't pay their traders. Maybe this is only because I'm an affiliate and a streamer. We all know that's fucking bullshit. Anyway, you know what I want to do? Actually, I don't need to. I don't need to show my approvals anymore. I can show that on Twitter. I think I posted it on Twitter. You guys follow me on Twitter? ZERODAYJay. This was a funny post. You see this one? I wonder how much of everyone's Lifetron savings Scott got away with when he pulled off the fast track rug pull. Fucking Tron was up as much as Tron almost doubled yesterday. Tron hit almost 45 cents yesterday. When everybody was you know, flooding into fucking fuck them traders for the 3 months that they were in business, Tron was at like, I don't know, Tron was at like 7 to 12 cents. And then look what it fucking did. Crazy. Crazy. Did I post this? Oh, here it is. There's the approvals. This is a screenshot I took from my account. Boom. So everybody told me to fucking walk away. Not everybody. A bunch of people said, just walk away. Don't even waste your time with Apex anymore. It's not worth it. They suck. They're this. They're that. Good thing I didn't listen, right? That's $1,745 that's in my fucking bank account right now in the last week because I didn't give up on my Apex accounts. And this shit just keeps going up. Nah, Subi guy, that's not, I don't think that they don't, regarding myfundedfutures. Yeah, Vince, exactly. They don't want a 1 minute man. Does anybody want a 1 minute man? It's 15 seconds or less is what you got to really worry about. And you don't always have to have 5 points, Subi guy. You don't always have to have 5 points. Sometimes the trade there's some trades you're just not going to get 5 points. They don't really, I don't think they care as much about that as they do the 15 seconds. You need to last longer than 15 seconds, guys. Right? Yeah. Living that grumpy life. Dude, I hit them up about it all the time. They're so annoying, bro. They're so annoying. Hard to do. Sometimes it is. Sometimes, man, the juice is flowing a little too much, you know? Eric J. J Stores, powerful playtime. Yeah. Matt O'Rourke. Damn, bro. Today's that type of day. Live prop firm trading. Today's that type of day. You like that, Franny? Oh man, I'm gonna start an OnlyFans, and my wife's just gonna make me sandwiches in like, you know, provocative clothing. What do you guys think? I should have my wife stream with me. I get a ton of viewers if she was on the stream. Oh yeah, Jay Stores, happy birthday, kid! I told you in the Discord, but hey, everybody pound that confetti like roast beef for Jay Stores. It's Jay Stores' birthday. Hell yeah. Lake House. Let's see if I could do it. I restarted Chrome. Maybe it'll work. Let's go to Scott's Lake House. It's still not working. What the fuck? This shit is broken. I don't know. It's not working. Am I really going to be forever stuck with this fucking overlay? That's not good. I could do this. Can I do that? Oh, I don't want to say stop sharing. That might end my stream. I'm not going to do that. Fuck. Oh, now I can't even get out of this shit. Oh, there we go. What I can do is just get rid of it. So maybe that's better because I can't, but I think I could do this. Did you see the confetti for Jay Stores' birthday? Let's do some fireworks too and balloons. Is it not working? Motherfucker, man. Oh, here it is. It's behind me. Oh my God. It's hilarious. Like Nick Cannon. All right, enough of this fucking bullshit. This shit just keeps going. It's just grinding up. This price action is fucking brutal. Sean, what up? Yeah, Sean. Miss Goody's here. Gary. 0 Day After Dark. What up, Josh? Pine Tree. Hey, sweetheart. Go make me a sandwich, all right? Oh, man. CT Trading. Yo, he takes me for a ride. I sit on his lap. I sit on his lap in one of his Ferraris that I use with all your payout money. A1 Forex, what up? Yeah, I need to get on Streamlabs. Believe me, I'm done with Restream, bro. There's a learning curve to this shit. I'm probably gonna fuck with OBS too. I have OBS downloaded. That's the reason why I got this M1 MacBook Pro, this M1 Pro Max. I got so I can stream with OBS. Look, is it gonna break this area of support? Or is it just gonna go back up and make another all-time high? It just keeps making new all-time highs. Grinding up. It's grinding. This is as tight. Yeah, Fred. Yeah, for real. Dr. D. Happy birthday, Dr. D. Pound that confetti like roast beef for Dr. D. Bob Means. Hopefully, yeah. Weren't you guys supposed to request, like, didn't they tell you to request refunds like a month and a half ago? And you just sending out an email today saying, oh, we're going to start processing your refunds? Fucking piece of shit. What a piece of shit. Zayback. What up, Zayback? My wife calls me Dr. D. Bull Bear, what up? Yeah, I'm not at Scott's. There was if you see this, like there's these backgrounds. I don't even know where this shit is. I don't even know where this comes from. But there's these backgrounds. So there's one, I can't even show you because this is fucking broken now. But there was one that would like look like there was a lake behind me. So I said I was at Scott's, rug pull, lake house rug pull, the house of rug pull. Can you be a part of the class action if you get a refund? That's a good question. That's a good question. I don't know. That probably absolves them of any fucking financial responsibility to you. This shit. Fuck me, man. There we go. What's the fucking pivot point at? Look at this shit. What the fuck is this? We're up 400 points from the low. Oh, wait, that was yesterday. But look, this was the low from yesterday. We're up 400 points from there. We did it, Joe. Went from big red to small green. Hey, Vince, great job, man. There's more than I could say. What up, Eric K? 41. Oh, so damn, if you're old as fuck at 41, then what does that make me at 45? Easy trading. Welcome home, guys. Welcome home. What time? Sean, I usually get on. I don't really have a set time for the overnight, Sean. Energy saver turned on. What the fuck? I didn't remember turning that on. Smooth scrolling. Sean, it's like sometime around London. I was so fucking tired. I didn't get on until after 2 o'clock. It was after 2 a.m. specific time. So like around 5 a.m. Eastern, I got on. But I try to get on like sometime between like let's say 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Eastern during the overnight. And then I hang out till, I don't even know. I got off after 5 this morning. And I slept for fucking 3 hours. Trung sent an email requesting a refund from Fuck Them Traders over a month ago. No response. Don't worry. Now you can hit him. Now you can send an email. Neeson, what up? It's fucking crazy. A1 Forex, you want me to tell you what my thoughts are on gold? At least there's better price action here. At least this is more tradable. Let's look at that's the hourly. I mean, it's kind of just been going sideways, but it's in the golden pocket on the fib. This is the daily. We bounced, so I need to get rid of all these fibs. That's what I need to do. I need to get rid of all this shit. Start a new one. That was a bigger time frame. But I mean, it looks like it could go up. But I don't know. because we were going up and then we hit this pivot point and rejected fucking hard. Now it's in the middle of that drop. So like if you draw a fucking Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, we came back up and we basically can't get over this. We wicked and hit the 707, but we can't get over the 618 for the most part. I mean, look at this is the daily. We've gone sideways. We've gone sideways in the last 4 days. If you look at the hourly, I don't know. I can't read this shit. I don't know what's going to happen with gold. Gold's crazy. But look at, this is the hourly. Look at, we're basically in the same spot we've been in since last fucking Tuesday. For a week, we've been in the same spot. We gapped up when the contracts rolled over, and then we've been sideways. I mean, there's definitely, it's 10, if you like for a mini, it's $10 per tick on a mini. So, I mean, there's definitely more opportunities other than like this shit. Like, what the fuck are we supposed to do with this? What up, Ceres? Ceres is here. Dirt is younger. Yeah, you don't think he's going to protect himself and protect all of his exotics and his hedge fund money? Yeah, Crankberry. I don't know why you guys, anything under, it's disturbing. It's disturbing. Meanwhile, the guy was literally dead fucking broke like a year ago. Couldn't even pay his fucking rent and fucking like was stealing light fixtures. What a fucking loser. What a fucking loser. Santa rally came early, for real. Everybody gets paid, Hello Corpian. Welcome home. MIL. That's okay, man. Look, you know, you're showing more self-control than me. This is fucking awful. We're almost there. Can we get to the pivot point and then fucking reverse? We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. Yeah, gold is in the golden pocket. Vince, yep. So if I put my actual physical gold in my pocket, does that mean I have a golden pocket? What up, Ray? It's still there. He just, yeah, exactly. Exactly. Fucking crazy. This is hard, man. This is tough to trade. No doubt, Ceres. Ceres, you only got approved and paid because you have a YouTube channel, bro. And you're an affiliate. That's the only reason. That's the only reason you got approved and paid, bro. Congratulations on getting your Apex payout. Keegan Murphy, what up? No, he flew down to Florida. Macamille, what's good? Scooby Curry, what's good? Cone Killer, there's no one Rilla. This is a pivot. Oh, you're asking for the number of the pivot point? Well, here's one. It's at 21,557. I don't know how it could figure out the pivot point. It's basically based on some sort of mathing. But for the 15-minute, 5-minute, it's at that number, and then the hourly is at 21,564. And then let's see what the daily pivot point's at if there's one nearby. Yeah, 21,551. I mean, look at this shit. This is fucking hard, man. Super hard to trade. What's interesting is, watch this. You want to see something crazy? Watch this, guys. Bottom to the top. Look what we bounced off of. We popped here. We rejected hard. Yeah, we wicked down. We wicked down to the 707, but look where the candles, the candles are, right at the 618, and we bounced. That's a fucking beautiful Fibonacci fucking move. Beautiful. I just would never take a trade based on solely that. But fuck, man, look at that. This is on the daily. Plus, you can't hold fucking trades overnight. you know, in prop firm accounts. What up, Alfred? Sicoli. Let me just make this fucking bigger. Whoops. This just keeps fucking going up. Oh, wow, we had a quick pullback. Even this pullback, it's too quick. It happens too fast. 40 down to fucking 30. It was like an 8 or 9 point pullback. Utaka, what up? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. We're about to have that. We're about to hit the algo candle. I want more coffee too. Oh, nice, Mac. Awesome, Mac. Richwalla. Ha. That's not the worst thing in the world. Hopefully it was like an 80% deal or something. Neeson, what's good? Robert Sains, what up? Long since 36? Man, bro, God bless you. We're so fucking up there. If Cone Killer, if you want to add it to your trading view, it's just right here. It's not like just like every other indicator. It's great when it's right, and it could get blown through. You know, so just like every other indicator, but it's just called pivot point standard right here, right there. It's actually a trading view. There's other pivot points. There's other pivot point. There's a ton of them. There's a ton of pivot point fucking, you know, indicators, but that's the one I chose, and I like it. Yeah, I'll go about to hit. Yeah. Which way? Which way? I almost went short. I want to fucking put a short order here. Oh shit, are we almost there? Not quite. Oh my god. I have no answers for this shit. Miss Goody. Josh Jagasar, what up? I commit to never rug pulling your payouts again. You're looking at the last model 5-speed Prelude? Dude, I see them out here, bro. Scooby, I see them out here every now and again. It's like I've seen a couple really nice ones. Those cars, man, when you put like a suspension kit on them and some nice wheels, they look sick. Great looking cars. Stoic TA. I feel like I've heard of that. I feel like I've heard of that person before. I don't know though. I'm not 100% sure, Charlie. Einon. Yeah, I mean, what up, Einon? I don't know. Are we dropping? Oh, it just missed it on the daily. Look at this candle. This is the 4-hour candle right here. 4-hour candle. 250 points or so. Oh, man. I don't trust this shit. I just don't trust it. They're slow, but well, you know how to fix that. You just put a KA motor in it or drop a fucking turbo in that shit. But they do sound good when you put some HKS exhaust on them. Yeah, Cone Killer. They all, I mean, I don't know. They read it differently. It changes on the time frame. Like, are we dropping here or are we gonna fucking bounce back up? I can't. This is fucking tough, man. This is so frustrating. That's 11 points, but like it could have kept going. Yeah, see, we might bounce here. I'll be right back. I got to get my charger. I'll be right back, and I got to get more coffee. You coming in here with me, Harvey? Oh shit, here we go. Here we go. 15 seconds. Let's see if it goes short. Let's see. Is this the pump before the dump? I'll fuck around and find out with this these accounts. Oh, nope. That was it. More pop, more pump. More pump. That's why I put it far away. I didn't put it like right here. Because if I put it right here, I would have gotten filled and then would have been down. Scheming and scamming. Gambling and scrambling. Uh-oh. With a 50K on an eval 10 and on a funded 10, but on the funded accounts now they have you scale. So you can't trade more than half of the available contracts that you could trade on a funded account. Gain weight. Oh man. I'm always playing gain weight. I'm learning that some people don't understand my humor. I've learned. Some people don't get me. Live prop firm, you bounced? Be good, man. Be good at live prop firm trading. Are we going to dump into the close or are we just going to keep going? Well, look at this. It couldn't make a new high. Doesn't mean it won't. What is this shit, man? This fucking sucks. Gain weight. I know you. I was just talking about other people. I learned that. I'm not even talking about Nutty. Are we dumping into close? I don't fucking know. I'm scared. Is it going to bounce here? Is it going to bounce off the 1 minute 21? Why would I put a short order at the 1 minute 21? How fucking stupid. Because it bounces anytime it breaks. A lot of times it'll break the trend and bounce there and go back into the trend. Yeah, gain weight. I know you weren't fucking with me. I was just talking about something else completely unrelated, but you reminded me of it when you posted that in the chat. Brian O'Donnell, yeah, this is tough, man. It only makes new highs at the close about 20 days of the year. Yesterday it tried to. Yesterday was fucking bad. I fucked up this account, 15. But hey, I got it up $487 today. So look, this shit is fucking crazy. Crazy, I tell you. Come on, just fucking dump. Dump it! I hate this shit. This is like impossible for someone like me to trade. I don't know. That's how I feel. Yeah, look, it bounced off the 1 minute 21. Uh-oh. Now I'm in trouble. Am I going to fuck these accounts up more? Can I get fucking 7 points? Probably not. It's so fucking... Look at these candles. They fucking suck. None of these candles... This shit is whack. This shit is whack. It's wickety whack. Look, I can't even get more than fucking 3 points. Yeah, yesterday, Alfred, it did. Yesterday was awful for me. Sometimes. I trade these three together in the Apex account. I got to pee too. Fuck. I need to get... Take me out of something, please. I haven't been able to even get taken out of half of any of my fucking trades today so far. Take me out of half. Please. Lord, if you're listening, Help! Oh my God. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Let's go. It just doesn't want to go down. Holy shit, I got taken out of one. What a fucking, holy shit. What an event. It's, uh-oh. 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 I'm locking this in. I'm locking it in. I can't believe it. It happened. We did it, Joe. I got taken out of half of my fucking position for the first time in like 4 trades today. We did it, Joe. Keep coming down. We did it, Joe. Get below the 30. These are the 34. The white one is the 34 SMA. The green one, the teal one is the 34 EMA. Keep going. Get below this fucking wick right here. Get below this fucking wick, son. Oh my God, I'm only down 92. I was down as much as fucking 500. We did it, Joe. Come on. Give me more. Give me more. Let's make this even lower. Fuck it. I'm probably going to get stopped out here anyway. It's happening. Here's a little area of support right here. Is it going to bounce here? Temporarily, probably, maybe, possibly. Can we just blow through it and not give a fuck about it? That'd be cool. We did it, Joe. Oh my God, almost back to break even. Like these accounts, these 3 accounts are in position for a payout next week. So I don't want to fuck them up, right? So to answer your question before about it, do I always copy trade in groups of 3? No. These are in a group of 3. 117 and 118, I got at the same time. So they're together. They're in a group of 2. I just got paid on those 2. And then 119, 20, 21, and 22, I passed those. I got those at the same time. So I passed 4 evals at the same time. And I traded those together. I've been trading those together. And then 115 is on its own. 115 is in its own group, which is no group. Come on, fucking drop. Get below that shit. Oh, I'm green. Oh my God, I'm green. Oh my God. Stay green, please. Keep going down. Do it for the stream. No. Don't bounce. Do not come back up. Do not come back up. We did it, Joe. Oh, we did it, Joe. Give me a $50 day. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to get it. I'm leaving it right here. Fuck it. Whatever happens, happens. I'm happy with how this played out. Do I want to lower it? This is another area of support. Look, it's kind of having trouble getting through that. We did it, Joe. Maybe I should move my stop down so that it stays at break even. I don't know where exactly that is, though. Like, once I get taken out. Come on, baby. Take me out. Do it for the stream. Please, Lord, if you're listening, help. I'm going to get taken out. Oh. Hit my fucking take profit, son. Let's go. I got to ask my wife how she would blow down on this candle. Yo, come on. Keep going. Take me out. Take me out. We did it, Joe. We did it. Yeah, baby. Finally, I fucking... what a trade. You love to see it. Filthy trader. Yeah, very possible. What up, Tony Gold? What's a good futures prop firm with no consistency? Take Profit Trader. 40% off any size test account. which I have not traded at all today because I just, this fucking price action was brutal. Take profit trader, Tony. They do have a consistency rule on the eval side, but once you're funded, no consistency rule. Basically, hardly any rules. 40% off. They're running their Black Friday deal right now. 40% off any size test account. $0 activation fee. It's waived if and when you pass your test account. And they will refund you your initial test fee, 100% of it, if you get to your first payout with that account. Pretty fucking awesome deal if you ask me. There's my link. Use the best coupon code ZERODAYJAY. Yeah, Mikey, for real, bro. Yesterday was bad. It could have did the same thing. Look, it's bouncing off the top of this little fucking chop zone now. Will it get through it like it got through these? It's tough to trade, man. Yolanta, thank you. Oh, thank you, Gary. I appreciate the support, Gary. Gary used the best coupon code in the world. It just happens to have the highest pass rate and the highest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. I can't confirm that with actual data, but the degen data tells me that's the case. Also, although Apex is not running any deals right now, to my knowledge, if you wanted to get some accounts, it's 50% off. So I'm going to drop my link in there. We're celebrating Apex because they do pay traders. They paid traders in here. They paid me, right? Hey, it could be worse, right? Last time I checked, Fast Track hasn't paid a trader since fucking the beginning of September. Unless you were a big affiliate that they reeled you in to promote them. Oof. And then myfundedfutures, they're doing 10% off the milestone plans. I think they're back to 5%. Starter Plus is gone. That Black Friday deal, the Starter Plus, you can't even buy a Starter Plus account anymore. So I think it's back to 5% off the expert and starter accounts. And I'm not even sure if my coupon code will work on any payment method other than ACH. But you could try it. And if you want me to get credit for the sale anyway, and you do want to pay with a credit card anyway, and not save the 5% off, put my code in anyway. It'll acknowledge it. You just might not get a discount. Here's my link for myfundedfutures. Let me drop it in here. Best code for Apex, takeprofittrader, and myfundedfutures is ZERODAYJAY. And trade day. If you want to grab a trade day account, I still think they're doing 60% off. If you want to support the channel, if not, no big deal. The fact that you guys are all hanging out here is support enough, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming and hanging out on my streams all the time. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. We're only at 49 fucking likes. Yeah, no problem, Tony Gold. I appreciate you, man. Who's going to have a Christmas deal? Mac. myfundedfutures? Deep Brett's, what up? Are they really? They added it? They put it back? Hold on a second. Are you sure about that? Hold on, let me check their Discord. I had a piece so fucking bad right now. Where is this shit? Promotion updates. I haven't seen anything yet. Deep Breaths. It's not on their site either. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to log into my account on my other computer that I'm monitoring the stream with, and I'm going to see if I could grab an account like right now and get it, and the discount applies. Because that happened the last time with their 80% deal. You were still able to get 80% off even though the countdown expired. But I tried last night and it didn't work. Let's see. No, it's still 50% right now, bro. Maybe they will be doing it, but right now, as of right now, it's only 50%. I'll save now. Let me try that again. Fuck. That's their default code. If that code's working, what up? He's still fucking whatever, Southside player. I'm over it. I'm over all that shit. I don't like. It was a nothing burger to me. He turned he turned a molehill into a fucking mountain. Save now is their default code. It's always bad juju when you use the prop firm's default code. Nah, 50% off, bro. It's still 50% off with any code. I just did it. I would wait until they do something, better, right? 80%. I just tried it, bro. Deep breaths. I just tried it. Peter, I think it's 125 now. I think they bumped it to 125. It was 125 during their you see here, I think this is it. I think this is what it's going to be moving forward, 125. So now you have a choice. Like now you're not sure like now, but this is for any size account. Now it's like, do you get the monthly, do you pay the 105 per month or do you pay the 125 one time? Like, can you hold on to a funded account? Technically, you should be able to hold on to a funded account a little longer now because you can't withdraw below 2,100. So that was the only rule change. The only thing about the new rules that I like is that, you can't withdraw deep into your drawdown. Because what would happen to me, at least, and I'm sure it would happen to a lot of people, is I would get a payout for $2,000, which is great because I've always been an advocate of taking the max, and you should because you just never know when you're going to get back there. But then what would happen is I'd have fucking $500, $600, $700 of drawdown, and that's when I would fucking forget how to trade. As soon as I start trading those accounts again. I don't think it matters, Peter. I don't think it matters. It's not like takeprofittrader. Takeprofittrader, if you get an account during their promotion, the promotion is like the promotional deal is honored through the life of that account. I don't think Apex is like that. Not saying anything bad about Apex in that regard. I just don't think they do it like that. For anybody at Apex watching this, hello. What up, nukes? Beneficial ownership information? I have no idea, bro. Yeah, use code fuck your refunds. You guys want to grab some we have what earnings? That's where I fucked up yesterday too. I was in a fucking short and then all of a sudden news like CRM earnings dropped or AK what was that? AKTO or whatever. I don't even know what the fuck it was. And it fucking popped on me and I just couldn't stop going in short and I kept getting fucked. Adam Terrence, what up, man? It's good. These three were down $500 and I just got it all back and then some. Well, they were down $496 after this trade. Then I got $100 back before fees, and then I got the rest of it back here. 405, 540, 545 before fees. So, and then this one I did yesterday. I was in an agonizing hour-long trade, but I got $487. Okta, yeah, there it is. Thank you, Gary. Thank you. Trading with Timmy. Yeah, it's tough, man. Yeah, you went with the trend. The trend has not really always been my friend. What up, Michael Gianos? IRM gang in the building. We need some gang signs for that shit. I'll be right back, guys. I got to pee. Are we going to drop? What earnings are today? Someone said earnings. Yeah, Deep Breaths is full of shit. I wonder who Deep Breaths is. Is this their 40th fucking YouTube account they created just to come on here and be jerk-offs, or they're actually someone else? Give it time. They will reveal themselves. They always do. I gotta pee. I'll be right back. All right. Sorry, guys. What'd I miss? What'd I miss? Yeah, I didn't see the email. As of right now, the sales, I just tried it. It's not true. I mean, maybe it hasn't happened yet, but I'm looking forward to it happening. They usually, when they send out an email about the promotion, maybe you got the Cyber Monday promotion today. It expired, bro, by the way. The Cyber Monday promotion was only for 2 days. Maybe it took their emails, their mail servers a little bit. It took their mail servers a couple of days to let you know. I'll check my email. I don't see shit. I don't see shit, bro. You got a Cyber Monday email today. Anyway. Just ain't right. What up, technical trader? Yeah, Top Step needs to make more money. They're limiting how much money you could pull out. Not that a lot of people get that far, but bull bear rider trading, nothing happened, bro. It's not even worth talking about. It's the dumbest fucking shit ever. Yo, join the Discord. Join the Discord, bro. I know you're not crazy, bro, but I'm telling you, I just went and put a code in. I went and put their default code in, and I got 50% off. I saw, yeah, that's the last email I got. The wealth charts. Is that like the I wonder what that is. Steve Paul, what up? Yeah, I got that email too. Fire Flame, what up? Dream Chaser. Yeah, I mean, I don't even care. Like that. Yeah, that's cool and fun, I guess. But I'm not. I don't want anything. Like, I want Nutty to win too. I'm not mad at Nutty. I don't know the specifics. I don't know exactly what it is. It's like, I think the most you could take out in a week is like 5,000, which is great. I don't really know how it works. I don't know if that's per account. I have no idea. That's Apex's plat. Yeah, is that then? Yeah. So what is that basically? Is it like basically a trading view? Is it like a trading view fucking, is it using trading view kind of like Top Step X, and then what's the other one? 5K per account per week. I mean, that's not bad. That's like 25K a week still. It's not terrible, but they are limiting how much you could take out. They are clamping down on windfall trading. Makes you wonder. Oh, JC Trade, you're not the first person to ask me this. I don't know, bro. Can you hold on to you? Like, what's $20? Are you trading on Tradeovate or Rhythmic? If it's Tradeovate, it's $20 more one time. If you're trading on Rhythmic, it's $40 more one time. Yeah, all these rules are mounting up, and everybody fucking is so quick to shit on Apex for their rules. Every fucking prop firm is changing. Just Apex is the front runner. They're on the forefront, so they get the most shit because they fuck. People get the most angry about them. But UProfit just retroactively changed rules and fucked a bunch of people, including Nutty, out of payouts. But no one talks about that shit. They only want to talk about Apex. Bullinox changed their rules too. They added a inconsistent position sizing rule to their shit. I don't know exactly what the parameters are, but they did add that. Top Step also added a rule where if you get any of your XFAs to a live account, you basically forfeit all of your other accounts. I mean, I think you could roll all the balances in, but you could only have one live account. I have a feeling all of these prop firms are going to end up that way based on fucking, Fed boy regulator fucking bitches forcing them to change. What up, Hotshot? 7 Money Bago. Trade evade, JC trade, so it's only $20 more. What's another $20? How many fucking evals have you gone through? Like, I don't know how old you are, but I was talking about this with who the fuck was I talking to about this? Someone on the stream earlier today. I forgot who it was. If I saw their name in the chat, I would know who. I knew it. Jimmy Koffa, what's good? I would know who it was. But yeah, I was like, bro, if you're married with kids, you fucking piss through a lot more than $20 a day. So what's another $20? That's how I look at it. But I get it. Like, people have bills and we have financial responsibilities. But like, literally, if you saw my my screenshot of my, especially at this time of year with Christmas and shit, if you saw my screenshot of my payout, right? This is the Apex approved me yesterday for 2 payouts, 619 each. I got approved in less than a day, and I got the money the next morning. But look at all this shit. I joke and say this is all my OnlyFans subscriptions, but it's not. It's just a bunch of random shit because, like, my wife's Christmas shopping, and there's just shit going on. There's always money fucking being thrown around. So what's another $20? This looks like a Head and Shoulders, but I don't know. What earnings are today? Martin, exactly, bro. I have 4 kids. I have 4 kids and 4 dogs and a bearded dragon. Like, I have to go buy a bag of food for Harvey, Mr. Harvey. I have to buy a bag of food today. It's like a 24-pound bag. It's going to cost me $107 after tax. It's your fucking dog food. It's on the cleaner side of the dog food. It's still fucking kibble, but $107 for a bag of food. And that's just one of my fucking dogs. Yeah, just ain't right. So I don't know what JC Trade's situation is like. I don't know, like, do you have kids, JC Trade, or are you young enough to be one of my kids? Yeah, bro. Shit's expensive. You know what's crazy? I got my older dog, Penelope, my oldest dog. Actually, she's not my oldest dog. You know who's older than her? Fucking Romeo, the guy that we were fostering and then we ended up adopting. I think he's older than her. She's on a special diet because she has like that soft tissue carcinoma. It's like skin cell. She gets like fucking tumors that grow out of her skin. And we had to have them removed twice. So we changed her diet. So she's on really fucking expensive food. She's on this shit called like Dr. Harvey's, and then we cook salmon. I buy salmon for her all the time. And then Romeo is on a special diet. He eats turkey, and we give turkey to, and this like, this dehydrated food mix. Like, shit's fucking expensive to live, especially over the last 4 years when everything went up fucking 40, 50%. I remember I used to get bags of food that aren't even as good as the food that I get now. I would pay $45 for a bag of food with like salmon, like the Natural Balance, $45 for the salmon one, the fish and sweet potato one, or whatever that one was, but it's mostly salmon for the fish. $45, $46. That shit went up to like 90. Everything costs money. So what's another 20 fucking bucks? Oh, your oldest is 24. Damn, you got me beat, bro. My oldest is 18. Yeah, bro. So you know the deal, man. I don't know. That's up to you. You know what I'm saying, bro? It's up to you. Like, can you hold on to these accounts long enough? Can you hold them for more than a month? So that's like that's what you got to, if you're going to base your decision on anything, I would base it on that. Like, will you be able to keep the account for more than 30 days? If that's the case, it will be cheaper to pay the lifetime fee. Caleb, what's good? Yeah. And we all know it wasn't him, Caleb. He didn't do shit. It was whoever was, it was probably Mr. Barry. It was probably Barry. My chef, Mr. Hello, Officer 911. My chef was found dead. he drowned in 3 feet of water. Oh, man. Better claim it as a dependent. No good companies doing earnings today. Nothing that'll move the needle. You're on day 40. My wife leaves the lights on all the time. Fuck that. One payout. Yeah, bro. Funny. Keegan. Fucking funny. 40 days is a long time. 40 days. And you know what? Unless you're like gonna blow the account up before you even get to a payout, that's a whole nother story, right? But if you like, let's say you're a habitual payout receiver and you're good at growing the accounts. When you pull out, like, so when I request on these 3 accounts, which I'm hoping to next week, as long as I don't fuck them up, is this the fucking Head and Shoulders confirming? As long as I don't fuck these up, man, I did not trade my Funded Futures account at all today. I'm glad I didn't. I'm okay with that. But when you get to a payout, you can't go, like on a 50K, for example, you can't go below 2,100. You can't cut into your drawdown less than 2,100. So after you get your payout, you still have $2,100. So it technically should be easier to hold on to these accounts longer. You know, as long as you don't tilt if you get denied. Don't go tilting and shit like that. You know, out of frustration and blow the accounts. Damn, Martin Suarez. Where the fuck do you live? And how big is your house? Wow. Dandelion root drops? Yeah, I mean, I'm well aware of the CBD. I give Penelope the CBD, but she hates it. I got to get more though. I'm out. She hates it. She's the only. All the other dogs they like it. They'll take it. Well, Harvey doesn't like it either. He runs away. So if I give him, he doesn't need it for his health. He needs it to chill the fuck out. He's a very high energy dog. He's still got puppy energy. Dandelion root. 18 years old. That's awesome. I mean, you got this fucking shoulder here, you got the head here, and you got a shoulder here. Maybe we get a head and shoulder. I just don't know if it's gonna actually play out. It just looked like it was about to start to. Let me get out of these accounts. Whoops. I don't want to do that. I just want to uncheck the fucking. There we go. You know what? This is what we're going to do. If it comes back up to the 9, I will go in short. I don't think it's going to go up at all today. Oh, shit. Right as I say that, the fucking next candle is like a fucking, it's the 430 candle. Huh. Well, I'm in. Hold on, Harvey. Am I going to fuck these accounts up more, these two? I got paid on these, and then I gave back $788 after I got paid yesterday. Are we green? Oh, I'm up $30. John Q. Prop firms cured your cocaine addiction. Oh, man. I don't know about static, deep breaths. Maybe someone else knows. I've never traded a static account. You got your bull and ox at 30 days, 2 payouts because they're long ass withdrawal range. Hey, at least you got 5,500. Flexter Morgan, what's my day-to-day job? I do online marketing. I own a couple of companies, like paid advertising. I generate leads for the local businesses, and I also do affiliate marketing with like paid traffic. Been doing internet marketing for a long time. Oh, great. Yo, Alfred, see? Alfred clipped the moment of when the earnings hit yesterday, and I fucking was like, what the fuck? You don't see me fucking crying about it. Yeah, Flexter. One day, Jay. You're shadowing me right now. Is John Q, Russell Brunson? Nah, he's not a scammer. He built an actual really fucking great business. I've known Russell. I was in that world from 2005. I do trade takeprofittrader. I just didn't want to trade it today. I have this funded account. I didn't touch it. I did not like this price action. I have this thing more than almost halfway to the buffer. You see? Right here. This is my funded 100K. I meant to get more. I want to get a 50K and a 150K for test accounts, but I have this account right here at 1465. Not worth it for me to trade this account today at all. Apex, different story, especially these. I got paid on these already. Come on, keep coming down, baby. Take me out. Take me out. Do it for the stream. Do I fucking lock in? Man, I think this is going to confirm. Come on, baby. Mikey, I'm working on it, bro. Oh my God, did you see that? It came down to the order, but it didn't fill me. Look at that shit. Oh my God. How fucked up is that? I just wanted to get taken out of half, you fuck. Maybe I'll get it this time. Let me put a stop in so I can move it down and lock in some gains if this gets filled. I'm hoping this gets filled. Fill me. What up, Jack Boom? Oh, fuck. You motherfucker. Look, dude, that's so fucked up. That's so fucked up. I had 4.5 points. Now I have nothing. What? That's so fucked up. It didn't even really confirm. Look where it bounced. It bounced off the middle of this chop zone. What's 4.5 points? What fucking bullshit? What the fuck? Again, am I getting fucked again? 4.5 points is like 180. I think I was up 180. Look at that. This shit would only happen to me. How many times have you seen this shit happen to me? Fucking bullshit. Anyway. VWAP SPY. Nah, I mean, I didn't get filled. If I would have put this up one tick higher, I would have gotten taken out of half of my thing and moved the other one down. And then it fucking popped. Look at this. What the fuck is going on? Why does this shit keep happening to me? What a swing. It didn't even fully confirm the head and shoulders. I mean, the move for the head and shoulders is right about here. 27. It's at least 16 points. So it didn't even happen. Is it from the neckline though? Was that 16 points, 23 to 12? No. That's some fucking bullshit right there though. Fuck, man. Like it was creeping down. It like literally, I think I moved it down a little too. I think I moved this down a little. Didn't I have it up here? I would have gotten taken out if I had it right here. If I left it here. The first one. Fucking dummy. Robert Ferrara, what up? For Robert Ferrara, they might not. The thing you got to worry about when you size up in your trades now is the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But if they don't, what's the worst that could happen? You just get a fresh set of days. It's not the end of the world. You get a fresh set of days, and then just be clean. Trade those days cleanly, and then you can request again and probably get approved. Well, I was doing great, and I was just green in this fucking trade. This trade, these two accounts were up like 180, and then all of a sudden we fucking bounced out of nowhere. We bounced in the middle of this zone. I think I moved this stop down. I'm a fucking idiot. Fuck me, man. But whatever. These are the only accounts I traded. I didn't want to touch my takeprofittrader account. This is like gold to me. This account right here is like gold to me. I didn't trade my myfundedfutures account. Again, I have two. Why even risk it on a day like today where all we were doing was trending up? I have 2 days of $100 or more locked already. I just need 3 more and I could get to a payout. So I need 3 more days of $100 or more. Today was not the day to fuck around. So I didn't. It's okay. Like, you don't, like, that's the other thing, guys. Like, I used to put so much pressure on myself to trade every single account I have. I barely had any. I didn't like the price action. I had no time to trade during the overnight yesterday until I woke up, until I hopped on the stream and took a trade finally. Even when I was on the stream, I was on for like an hour and a half before I took a trade. And then I had no time this morning to take a trade. So what am I going to do? Force fucking trades just to get trades in? Fuck it. I'll have the account tomorrow. That's the best part. I didn't fuck anything up in this account today. It's still at 1,400. This is a funded account. The buffer's 3,000. I'm almost halfway there. Oh my God. You see that? What the fuck? I don't know, Robert. Maybe. It depends on which rule. I don't know if it applies to the improper risk management rules. You just might have to clear them out. But what's another day? If you want to try it out, like if you fucked up on day 1, you violated one of those rules, go to day 9 and request. What's the worst that could happen? You get denied? Whatever. Join the club. Just keep trading. Keep trading. You don't get in trouble. It's not like they disqualify your account like you profit after retroactively changing rules and then saying your account is terminated. Yikes. Yeah, I don't know. I might have to cut the cord on this shit. I don't like the way this is fucking playing out. Fuck me, man. I can't believe that just fucking happened. Look at that. I literally got fucking bottom ticked. It went right down to my fucking order and didn't take me out because of the spread. How fucked up is that? John Q, I would buy one of those shirts. One day, Jay, chilling like a villain on top of the Empire State Building, baby. Chad Dean. Oh, yeah, lots of breathing and relaxing. I'll always be breathing and relaxing after payout requests. Just saying, right. Yup, you can only take a payout. Yeah. Joseph Williams. Double jointed donkey. Yeah, it's been rough, man. This shit is hard to trade. What we want is like some sort of gap fill back down this way. I mean, this right here, like you see this is the 15-minute. This looks like it could fucking drop, at least down to here. I don't know if it's going to happen today, but look, the London high is right here, like, or at least down to the VWAP band. That's what I was hoping for. I didn't even need all of that. Like, I was above it. So I don't know. I'm going to chill in this trade and see what happens. It would suck because yesterday I lost 788 on these. And then now today I was just up 180 and didn't take it. I wanted to get taken out, and I would have been more than happy to get taken out a half and then put my stop here for the other half. But I don't know. I just didn't expect it to just shoot up like that out of nowhere. No, CT trading. Nope. Darrell is not allowed to fucking be in my pool. Michael Escorza. Bobby Trades. Be good, man. I'll see you, bro. Do I think you should trade? The Asian session is fucking sketchy, bro. Caleb, I don't know what... The London session is better than the Asian session. You know what's good with Asia? I think gold is good to trade during Asia. If you fuck with gold. Yo, what up, passing props? Yeah, I don't know if I want a DCA here. I mean, this shit looks like it's going to keep going up. Unfortunately. But I don't know. I'm just going to hang tough and just ride this shit out and see what happens. This is the one I'm more excited about because I was these I just got paid on. So whatever, I still have to trade these for like at least 8 days. And I need to have 8 days of $50 or more. So yesterday was the first day since I requested and got paid. So I still have to get 8 days. And this might be another day, another red day with this account. I won't be able to request a payout on these if I could get them back up over the buffer for like 2 weeks at this point. But these three, hold on, let me see where I'm at. Hold on, let me hide my screen for a second. I'm gonna log into my account so I can see where I'm at. Jesus. Hair is gray as fuck, yo. Apex. PA charts. Hold on, let me turn my screen sharing back on. Back to Apex. Oh, that shit just piled. Look at that fucking candle. Fuck me. Thank God it went back down. Good thing I wasn't paying attention to that. All right, so check this. Fuck that. So 113, 114, and 116. These three that I got up 131 today. One's at 4,000. Dude, this one's almost... This one, oh my God. I got denied on all three. Oh, I got denied on all three of these. 113, 114, 116. Let me go to the request payout page. 113. Oh, no, I got approved on 116. I just got paid on 116 on the 25th. That was my first approval since the new rules dropped. Finally figured it out, I think, or I just got lucky. Or it's because I'm a YouTuber, guys. I'm an affiliate. But 113 and 115 got denied. They're all being traded together now. These got denied on the 24th, the 25th, and this got approved on the 25th. So the issue with this one, oh no, 113, no, sorry, 114 was the 24th, right here. So now, and I don't know if I'm going to get approved. Oh shit, look at this. I don't know if I'm going to get approved, but look at where these are at. Like, I don't know. Let's see. When did I request? The 14th? Oh shit. Oh shit, let's go. Hit it. Don't fade me, son. Don't fade me. Hit it again. Do it again. Oh, don't fucking fade me. Oh my God, did you see that? Woo. Oh man, yo, great day, Jay. You know what's funny, Alfred? This fucking Under Armour shirt I'm wearing, it looks just like my fucking facial and my hair. It's like it matches. I match. Hell yeah! Don't fade me, yo. I feel bad for who was it? Bobby Trades just left. He just missed it. One bad trade turned out to be a fucking solid trade. I got taken out of both of my take profits. We did it, Joe. What just happened? Was that earnings? We did it, Joe. So here's the neckline potentially. 24, about 15, 16 points from the neckline. We did it, Joe. That was great. I don't need to trade any of these accounts. The only accounts I didn't trade is the group that these all get grouped together. 19, 20, 21, and 22. I don't know. Maybe I will. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We did it, Joe. Did we really go? We hit the M target? Yo, I'm glad you're seeing that shit still, Dan. Bull Barbie's moving on from Apex. I don't think she's moving on. And Top Step's earnings. Yeah. Top Step earnings are suffering. People are starting to smarten up. Oh, man, what a bounce. Look, we bounced at basically at the bottom of this chop zone. Right here. Look at that. The bottom of this zone, the top of this little zone right here. We're already up fucking 4 points, 5 points. Oh, my God. This is what goes on in the Discord. Hey, you guys want to join the Discord? It's free. It's where the DCA gang hangs out. Let me drop the link in here. Where is it, Dan? Oh, look at that. Is this it right here? Look at that. You love to see it when it plays out exactly how you think it's going to or how it's supposed to. This was a great spot for a bounce. We're already up 6 points. We were up 6 points from that bounce. Here's the Discord link if you guys want to join. You love to see it. John Q, you got kicked? How many times have you been kicked from our Discord, John Q? Vinny Lee, what up? Don't fake Jet, you filthy animals. Josh, bro, fucking A, man. Your philosophy essay due Friday? Why don't you just have ChatGPT write it for you? You didn't know she was married? Yeah, she's married to some, I think her husband's name is John, if I can remember correctly. Oh, I don't know Kellyanne's Discord. Is that what you're talking about? I have no idea what Kellyanne's Discord is. Yeah, Robert, I agree with you, bro. That's right here. You see this? Now this is resistance. That's the one thing I've been picking up on. That I don't know why I never saw it before, but the last like month or so, or the last few weeks, I've been seeing these fucking zones, these support and resistance zones. So much so that I don't rely completely on moving averages as much. I honestly, I haven't even really been relying on any moving averages lately. They've only become reference points to me at this point. 5 contracts. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I do have one more group to trade. And it's in the fuck you pay me group. But I don't know. I'm chilling. We got 10 minutes left. Well, we really have 8 or 9 minutes left because at 4:59 you get liquidated from your position with Apex. You got kicked out of Kellyanne's group. Were you hitting on her? You were trying to slide into her DMs? Oh my God. You guys are fucking funny. But hey, you could join my Discord. The only way you'll get kicked out of my Discord is if you're being a fucking jerk off. Or if you try poaching. We don't like poachers. Don't ask for fucking money. Don't ask for help paying your rent. Don't post fucking affiliate links or some random bullshit. You know, and just don't be a douchebag. Pretty simple. I don't trust this shit, man. I don't know what's going on here. I'm okay with sitting the rest of this out. I'm okay with that. Passing props. Passing props takes, talk about being able to take jokes and handle and just take, you know, we all fuck around in there. We're all fucking around in good spirits. Like we're all homies in there, right? Passing props takes and Fredo too. But Passing Props takes clips of like me saying some fucked up shit during the stream, like "Fill me, baby, fill me up," and he takes clips of that and puts it in there. Like I don't care. It's fucking funny to me. We all have fun in there. What are we at? What are we up to member wise? How many members do we have? Let's see. Members 849. When we get to 900 members, we're going to do a giveaway just for the Discord, just for the DCA gang. Look at this shit go. But look, you see this right here? There's no fucking volume. You see where this candle finished and then where this candle started? It's fucking sketchy. What's the spread? That's only 2 ticks, 2 to 3 ticks, I guess. Nah, look. I don't want anything to happen to Nutty. I don't, it's unfortunate what happened. But I don't want anything bad to happen to him. I don't care. It's whatever. You got a nice one brewing for Christmas? I can't wait, bro. Are you like working on something? I can't wait to see it. Like fucking Alfred would take screenshots of my egg shaped looking head and make it even more egg shaped and like I was like tilted down, so like wow, what a fucking pop. And like he would post pictures of me looking all fucked up. Like it's fucking funny to me. J Money. Yeah, right. Don't spit in my onion rings, bro. Sammy, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Clip that, Caleb. How much is Top Step down today? I think they were down like $1,800. Nah, he didn't blow his accounts. He did get fucked by UProfit though. He did get fucked by UProfit. They retroactively changed their rules, and his accounts that were up in the green got terminated. Fucking scumbags. Yeah, I mean, I grew up like, dude, Passing Props, you guys know. Like, me and all my boys that we grew up, like, I'm still boys with them to this day. I still have my original friends from elementary school. One of my boys, my best friend, literally my first ever friend, I'm still boys with him. I talk to him almost every day. We were friends in fucking pre-K. Like, we make fun of each other all the time. All of the fucking time. Still to this day. I rag on my friend Terry all the time. Because she voted for fucking Biden twice. Well, once, and then Harris. She voted for him. I make fun of her all the time. Because it's fun. We're all fucking joke. We all fuck with each other. So I always say, like, when something stupid happens, I'll be like, thanks, Terry. I'll say, thanks, Terry, like in the chat. When some fucked up shit happens, I'm like, thanks, Terry. It's all your fault. And, it's all fucking part of the fun. Exactly, Passing Props. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Nice little pop. I kind of wish I got back in here, but I don't know. I wasn't willing to risk it. We got 3 minutes left in trading. Like, how much more is it going to go up? I'm okay. Like, look, everything I traded is green today. All the accounts I did trade today are green. I didn't trade that. I didn't trade this. I didn't trade my Top Step account. I will be eventually finally trading my Trade Day account. Got my Rise account set up. I got to take their little fucking course. Watch this. Is this stupid? Is this stupid? I don't know. Oh, maybe not. I was almost about to go short here. I don't know, bro. I'm scared. I don't need to trade them. I don't need to trade them. Yeah, see? That's why I didn't want to do it. This thing could go back up to around here. Yep, 21. There it goes. That turned out to be a nice little bounce there. That was a great spot for a bounce, though. Look. We went to the bottom of this zone, this chop zone. This is an area of support. This might even be considered like an RSI zone if you have like, or like if you had like Lux Algo's Smart Money Concepts app up, indicator up. I bet. Let me see if it showed it. Let me see. Look, we went to the look where we went. We went to this is what I was hoping for. The upper the VWAP band. We bounced right off of that shit. Just about. Look, we went right there. I'll wait for the end of I'll wait for the day to end, and then I'll fucking look. I'll see if the Smart Money Concepts drew this chop, is drawing these top zones as areas of support and resistance. Just out of curiosity. He's in Florida. He had to go to Florida for business shit. And one of his brothers is getting married, so he's down there. There's also a bachelor party happening down there soon. If I wasn't married with 4 kids, I'd be down there in Florida for that, for sure. We're all fucking. I've known Cove. I've known Cove. We ended up on the same baseball team in what, 2009? In the fall of 2009 or the fall of 2010, and we've been basically boys ever since. And I've been boys with his brothers, basically. Like his brothers come out here every once in a while, and I'll go hang out with them because they're fucking chill as fuck. We're all homies. So I would be down there for sure, but I can't go to Florida for that. Fuck yeah, Alfred. Yeah, I saw that, dude. I saw it in the Discord. Great job, Alfred. Back to habit. Alfred is a fucking beast, guys. I can't wait, bro. I can't wait to join you, man. That's why I didn't want to fuck with this account today. I didn't want to fuck with this account today because I want to join you so bad, and I just I wasn't feeling today at all. I'll be joining you soon, man. Hopefully it's this account, but I'll be joining you for sure. If this is not this one, it'll be the next one or the one after. Yeah, see, the play was going long and playing this bounce, but whatever, it happens. Yeah, he's habitual as fuck. And you know what's crazy? He could have another good day tomorrow and take out another pad. You could literally get paid every single day with takeprofittrader. Just ain't right. You know what? I don't know what coupon code Alfred uses. I think he uses the best coupon code in the world, but maybe that has something to do. Maybe that has something to do with it. It's Alfred's only getting these habitual payouts from takeprofittrader. He's only getting them because he used the best coupon code. Just kidding. I don't even know what he uses. But here's my link. If you want to grab an account, use code ZERODAYJAY. It's the only reason. It has nothing to do with the fact that he's getting better and better as a trader every day. It has nothing to do with that. All right, so we're done. See, yeah, I'm glad I didn't take a trade. It's whatever. I did good. I did good today. I'll take this. This is a win today. This is a great day. Considering what the fuck was going on. We're at all-time highs. Kept making new highs, new and new highs. All right, so let's go. The market's closed now. Let me go to the 1 minute on this. I just want to see. And I'm going to turn on Smart Money Concepts. I have it on here. I just don't use it. Yeah, look. You see, guys? Let me zoom in a little bit, make it bigger. Maybe make it like look as much like Tradeovate as possible. This is the 1 minute chart. So look, all of this was an area of support. And that's exactly where it doesn't always happen that way, right? That's why I don't keep this on the chart, because you can't just rely on this entirely. But that was the next area of support. And look, here's another zone, another area of support, and we come down, and then we got this right here. I'm surprised it didn't add this here, and then up on, and then they got the red zone right here, which is interesting. And look where we rejected. This just formed because of what just happened. But it's interesting. I'm seeing it without having to have something like this loaded. So it's cool. I'm just happy for myself personally that I can see that, because it's helped me a ton. It's been helping me a fucking ton. A metric fuck ton. So there you have it. Yeah, J Money, though, you were getting some fucking hella payouts, though, bro. You're just in a little bit of a rut. What up, Norman? Yeah, dude, it's tough, man. I was down, this took me an hour to get this trade to happen, and I was down pretty big, and I DCA'd. That's how I fucking got out of this trade with this much gains. But it actually ended up, I think it ended up hitting all my take profits from the original position. This was during the overnight / early morning, like 5 o'clock in the morning, my time. This happened finally. I got in the trade right before 4, and I had to sit in it for a fucking hour. And then this account, I was down as much as 496 at one point. But I won all of my trades. All the trades I took on the stream, I won. I was, what, 3 for 3? No, 2 for 2. This one I was down too. I was down a decent amount in this account, these two accounts, and then I got my fill here. Passing props. Yeah, it was a combination of things, bro. Do I use Trade Iffy, Great Dane? No, I do not. I trade with Apex, TakeProfitTrader, myfundedfutures. I have a trade day funded account, which I've been sitting on for basically a month now. But I'm about to start trading it. And then I also have a Top Step Combine. Those are the prop firms I trade with currently. But yeah, Norman, a lot of people, dude, it's tough. Look at, this is what the day was. This is the 15-minute chart. This is what the entire day was. We didn't really have a real, after we bounced here, we came down to the VWAP. This is what the day's been. We started down here at 306. What did I just do? Was this a fucking pivot? There we go. That was a fib. We started down here. This is how the market opened yesterday at 6 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m. Eastern. And all we've been doing is just working up with barely any pullbacks. This was the biggest pullback. This must have happened around, the non-farm payroll and the PMI shit. And then we bounced off the VWAP and fucking just kept going up. Came back down again a little bit. By the time I was trading, this is what we were doing. It's tough to trade this shit. And we got this pullback here. Doesn't mean we're going to keep going down. I would love for us to fill the gap. I would love for us to come back down to this pivot point just so I could look to the left on the bigger time frames and be like, oh, okay, here's some support, here's some resistance. But we have nothing to look. Look, there's nothing to the left now. All that is to the left is just this area right here. We have nothing else because we're so fucking far up now. It's tough. It's hard to trade this shit. A lot of people got wrecked today. As long as you didn't get wrecked, right? That's why I didn't touch my TakeProfitTrader account. This account means way too much to me to be fucking around on a day like today. Did I miss an opportunity? Yeah, I missed this, but it was risky because you don't know. So this account, I didn't get it. It didn't grow today, but I didn't lose any money either. So I'm cool with that. This is a funded account. I funded 100K. I'm almost 50%. I'm almost halfway to the buffer, and then I need to get over the buffer to request so I could be like Alfred. Same thing with myfundedfutures. I have 2 days of $100 or more in right now. I need 3 more days of $100 or more, and I can request a payout. So I didn't want to fuck around today, especially because the day before was just like this. It took me 2 hours to get a trade to get $140. What was that? Monday going into Tuesday. And then I got this eval. So, I'm not forcing shit anymore. I was willing to fuck around in these Apex accounts because I've been getting payouts. I finally got approved for some payouts, and these accounts I need to grow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to request on any of these until next week, but man, look, today's Wednesday, so I got 2 more days, right? I get 2 more clean days in with this. I don't know if I'm going to get approved, right? I have no idea because you just never know because of how the new rules are. Like, I don't know if I violated a rule. I don't think I violated the 30% drawdown rule. I'm pretty sure I didn't violate the 5-to-1, but I'll find out, right, when I request. But look, this account was previously denied, 114. $31 more and I could request a max next week. Next week, I'll be requesting the max if I could get it to that point. If I don't fuck up. This one's getting real close too. 113. I just need $300 more and I can request a max on this one too. This one I just got paid. This was the first account I got approved on a payout request under the new rules. I just got approved. So this one's going to need some more time, but this one's at 3,400. I could get this up another $650. And I'll be requesting 2,000 each on these. Fucking awesome. But I don't need to force any trades. I didn't trade these. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Not the end of the world. That's something that's, part of my development as a trader is not especially with prop firms, like there's this deeply embedded psychology that we put this pressure on ourselves that we have to trade all of our accounts. You don't fucking have to trade every day if you don't want to. Or if it's a day like this and you're like, fuck, man, and you have funded accounts and you don't want to fuck them up, grab a cheap eval somewhere and fucking just trade the eval. Or better yet, which I would never do because I'm just, you could just trade it, get a fucking demo account or a test account, like a one that you don't even pay for, and just practice. Get a practice account. I think you could do that with Top Step. Yeah, you got to bypass the snitch bot. Exactly. Knock, knock. Yeah, man. Munib, you're asking me if I use a trade copier? I don't. I use the built-in trade copier in TradeEvade. So I have these in groups. This is in a group. 113, 114, and 116 are grouped together. That's why they're up the same amount. 117 and 118 are grouped together. And then and you do it in here. This is how you do it in TradeEvade. These are my group names. But you go to manage groups, you create a new group, give it a name, and then you drag the accounts you want to trade in that group into the group. That's it. And I didn't, these 119, 20, 21, and 22 are all in a group together as well. But I didn't trade them. That's why they're all zero. You don't think I'm a degen wiser than most? I still think I'm a little bit of a degen. Like this was a degen trade, getting in short at the very top, thinking it's going to come down. I don't know, but I'll take that as a compliment. I'm definitely evolving as a trader. I just keep saying out loud and to myself that every day in every way I'm getting better and better, especially when it comes to trading. So, it's slowly happening. I'm not saying I'm a good trader or I'm a fucking, I'm not a guru by any stretch of the imagination. Although I'm writing my course, how to guess your way to habitual payouts. I've gotten to that point where I'm getting habitual payouts. Now, the next phase is getting the dollar amount up. And that's why I was so frustrated with Apex, because a month ago, all of these would have been approved. Just about all of them would have been approved for 2,000 each. Even these, 2,000, 2,000. I would have had the craziest month ever last month. Last month, I would have done over 20 grand with Apex alone. And then I did 1,300 with myfundedfutures. It would have been the best. It would have been epic for me. So that's why I was so frustrated. And I kept getting denied. So I was like losing my shit, But I'm over it now. I got past it. I got it off my sleeve. I got it out of my system. Ruffled some feathers. Apparently some people got annoyed by it. People are ratting on me. But now when I made the adjustment, I had to make the adjustment. I made an adjustment and so far it's paid off. It doesn't mean I won't get denied again, but at least I'm in the winner. I got in the winner's circle after people told me to fucking walk away and say, fuck Apex. And I didn't want to. And I got rewarded for not quitting. So, that's where I'm at right now. 149.99. No, it's going to be $19.97. But if you use coupon code ZERODAYJ, you could get it for $1. Karthik, I don't know. myfundedfutures has no activation fee. It really depends on your pass rate. What's your pass rate? I'll tell you one thing with myfundedfutures, they pay fast as fuck. I got paid literally. I had my 5th day in, and then the market closed, and at like 5:13 p.m. Eastern, I requested a payout on the stream while I was streaming. I got approved and paid in 2 minutes and 9 seconds. It was fucking crazy. But Apex pays pretty fast once you get approved. I got approved yesterday for these two, and the money was in my bank account at like not even 6 o'clock in the morning. It was already there. $1,238. Same thing with this. I got approved on Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Obviously, Thanksgiving, they weren't sending any money out, or banks weren't fucking sending money out because they were closed. Friday morning, this money was in my bank account. So once you get approved, they pay fast. So it's up to you. We know what I would say? I would say get both. Do both. One might be better for your trading style than the other. And if you're going to grab any, use coupon code ZERODAYJ. It's the best code in the world. I've only ever traded the 150 instant funding with Trade Iffy. Yeah. Yeah, I don't fuck with Trade Iffy though, but so far they've been, it's still early, but they seem to be doing the right thing so far as a new prop firm, straight to funded. But I'm not putting my name behind it. I don't fuck with any new prop firms. And I know a little bit about Brett because I've known Brett for years, not personally, and I think Brett's a cool guy, but maybe it was unfortunate, but some shit happened in the past, and I don't feel comfortable giving him my money anytime soon. Anyway, guys, it's 12 after. I got to make my you lost half of your 100K of Apex payouts to 0 day. How? Oh. Is that yo, 1 day Jay? Yo, is that Simon? Are you Simon, bro? I think you are. So you got 100K of fucking payouts from Apex and then roll that money into options and blew half of it? That's nuts. Yeah, options are horrible, man. That's how I got my name, ZERODAYJay. That's the name I gave myself because I traded that 0 day shit, 0 day till expiration so many fucking times. Oh, there you are. Simon, that a boy. Yeah, man. Stop fucking with that 0 day shit, man. Give yourself more time. Give yourself more time. Give yourself weeks or months. The best part is you could get it back. What's the best prop firm? My favorite prop firm is takeprofittrader by far. That doesn't mean they're the best, but they're my favorite. myfundedfutures is a close second. Oh, you stopped doing futures. Yeah, man. Oh, that's great, bro. So 1 day, yo, Simon, you got paid under the new rules? Yeah, if you're gonna trade options, bro, based on how it's been going for you, buy more time. Stop doing the 0 day shit. It's total fucking talk about gambling. Talk about guessing. It's a total fucking gamble trading zero day fucking options. There you go. So 1 day Jay got paid, another trader who's not a YouTuber and not an affiliate who got paid by Apex under the new rules. But they don't pay traders. That's what we keep hearing. They don't pay traders. Yeah, Neil. Yeah, Neil, Neil is cleaning up, bro, with takeprofittrader. Fucking crazy. I like, hey, some people like expert more. If you're a more advanced trader, expert might be better for you. I like the starter. You could also get a milestone account, which is a straight to funded account. Pine Tree, exactly, bro. That shit, life comes at you quick when you're trading 0 day. You could have also made 60 grand. So, it's fucking risky, man. I would never play big money with the 0 day anyway. You're going to take a shot with 0 day, play with small. And if you get the 5X or the 10X, then it's a good trade. If not, you only lose $100 or $200. You know what I mean? I don't know. I'm probably going to start trading options again. I'm getting the itch. Anyway, guys, if you want to join the Discord, it's right here. Let me drop the link in one more time. I got to bounce and make my update videos. I'm actually only going to make one video because I only traded in my Apex account. So I'll just put them all together. But, and I still have to upload my Take Profit Trader video from yesterday. But here's my link for the Discord if you want to hang out in the Discord. If you guys aren't in there yet, it's free to join. Oh, yeah. So Karthik, bro, you might not even, it's not a live account though. It's just a funded account. You might not even be able to trade my funded futures. I would check. I would double check. I think you could trade Germany. I'm not sure though. Anyway, guys, I got to bounce. Hey, follow me on Twitter too. I post on Twitter. It's ZERODAYJay is my username on Twitter, but I'm going to drop my link in there. I'm trying to build up my Twitter account. Pushing for 200. If you follow me, I'll follow you back. We'll do a follow for a follow, guys. Anyway, guys, I got to bounce. Thank you so much for hanging out. It's been a pleasure. I'll be back on later tonight around London. And I'll be hanging out in the Discord, on and off. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.